Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to deactivate Instagram account on desktop, PC or Chromebook or MacBook or macOS 2024. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open the browser and open instagram.com and press enter and open your Instagram. Alright, and click on left corner your profile and open your profile and click on center edit profile. Open edit profile and settings menu and click on see more in accounts center. Open meta account center, your account, and click on personal details. This is your personal details and click on account ownership and control. Open Windows and click on deactivation or deletion. Click on and select your account and click on deactivation and click on button continue and write your password and press button continue and your account deactivation, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.